Welcome to your chemistry classmate. In today's session, we shall continue few more expected models from the alkyl halides. I hope you are following my videos comfortably. So do well. If you are following these all questions, definitely it is helpful to your coming examinations. And my request is do share it and subscribe it. Give your valuable feedback or valuable comments there. Then I will do in the better way as per your requirement. Okay. So we shall continue the concept now. Which of the following may be classified as aryl halide? It's a very simple question. This is a conceptual question. So which is the four options given here. Look at that. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. Look at that. So in which case halide is directly linked to the aryl group, means in which case it is linked to the benzene ring directly. Observe here in the case of C. So that is only the aryl halide. Is it clear? Very simple. Now look at the next question. Which of the following reagent will not convert ethyl alcohol into ethyl chloride? So here four reagents given: HCl, ZnCl2, CCl4, PCl5, SOCl2. You know, in the case of, see, this is what they given: alcohol, alcohol to ethyl alcohol to ethyl chloride. For example, if you take here HCl and ZnCl2, means low cost reagent, is it converting or not? Yes, slowly it is converting. If you take PCl5, is it converting or not? Yes, it is forming ethyl chloride. If you take SOCl2, this is also converting, but only CCl4. Suppose if you use CCl4, reaction does not occur. Is it clear? So among four reagents, which is not giving the ethyl chloride? CCl4. Okay, direct basic reactions. Look at the next question. So one compound given, they are treating with Br2 in the sufficient heat there, then P is formed. What is P, they asked. So it is also very simple. This is example of free radical halogenation. So whenever Br2 with some heat, nothing but H nu, free radical halogenation. So here what happened, do you know? Allylic substitution takes place. Here allylic, which is allylic group here? Observe here, among all, which is allylic group? This one. Direct identification, simple identification. So 1, 2, 3. So this is allylic carbon. Allylic substitution takes place. Is it clear? Now look at the next question. So one compound given, again the same Br2 with some heat, P major, which is the major. So here also, if you observe that free radical, same free radical pathway takes place, then what you can expect the product here? Tertiary free radical is the most stable. For example, here CH3 there. So here carbon, if you remove hydrogen here, means it is capable to form the tertiary free radical. So then bromine is attacking here only. Then automatically, which is the expected answer here? C. Is it clear? This is also free radical pathway reaction. Tertiary free radical is most stable. Then observe that. Only simple observation. There is no specific explanation also. But mechanism part is there. But here shortcut we identified to tertiary carbocation. Whenever bromine, see above question and below question almost same, but there and here compounds are different. Is it clear? Okay. Now look at the next question. This is also one of the important model. This is not present in the textbook actually, but you can guess it. Okay. So see there, 4 carbon ring given, one place Br2, another place CH2, CH2Br. Some reagent they used, that is R. It is converting into cyclic form. Okay. So the reagent R is. So observe here, small logic here also. Haloalkane, this is haloalkane converting into alkane. Haloalkane, alkane. Which is the reaction? It is very simple. It is Wood's reaction. Observe carefully. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 carbons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just they merged. Haloalkane to alkane, that too. Then automatically Wood's reaction. What is Wood's reaction reagent here? Sodium in the presence of ether. Is it clear? Right. Look at the next question. Which of the following halogen exchange reaction will occur in acetone? So you know this is a Finkelstein reaction. Is it okay? So direct, if you remember, okay, otherwise identify that Ri with NaCl. Is it possible? Is this chlorine is replacing this Cl? No. Rf with KCl. Is chlorine replacing F? No. NaI with chlorine. Is it replacing? Yes. This is only the Finkelstein reaction. So Rf with AgBr. Is it capable to Br replacing this F? Not possible. So which is our ultimate option? This one. You know, this is the basic reaction. Finkelstein reaction that undergoes SN2 mechanism. So you know the story of SN2 mechanism. Is it clear? Right. Look at the next question. The most reactive nucleophile in polar protic solvent. Polar protic solvent. You know, generally, which is capable to give the H plus ion. So H2O, alcohols, HF, formic acid, NH3. These are all the polar protic solvents. So in the polar protic solvent medium, which is acts as a best nucleophile, which is a more nucleophile, I minus. That means I minus, Br minus, Cl minus, F minus. This is the order. For example, the same question if they are asking polar aprotic solvent, then just it is quite reverse. Is it clear? So nucleophilic, more reactive nature of the nucleophilicity is just reverse for this. Right. Look at the next question. Which cannot act as ambident nucleophile? You know, ambident nothing but both the side it capable to donate the pair of electrons. So here if you observe that Cn minus NO2 minus SCN minus OH minus given. Among these four, first three are capable to donate either side, either from Cn, either from carbon or from nitrogen. NO nothing but ON also we can write. SCN thiocyanide, OH minus. But among these four, which is not capable to donate the electron pair from the both sides, this one, because oxygen only donate but hydrogen it is not possible. Is it clear? So very simple reaction, very simple question, but basic model from the textbook level only actually. Now look at the next question. This is also one of the important model, very simple. So one compound given the presence of aqueous KOH, P formed, they said. What is that P? So here if you observe the reaction, so they given that CH3Cl. So what happened? First it will form the corresponding carbocation. That means this is the carbocation. Now what happened here? Electron shifting takes place, automatically ring will be expanded. So ring expansion takes place here. So this is important point. So ring expanded and here positive charge is formed. This ring expansion takes place. That is an important observation. After that, it is treated with KOH, that means OH minus, where it is attacking this electrophile center. So automatically what is the product finally? So CH present as it is and it is OH. Then what is our correct option? D. Is it clear? In this question, small logic is a ring expansion takes place. 5-member ring converting into 6-member ring. Their positive charge developed, automatically OH is attacking there only. So this is the final product. Is it clear? Right. Look at the next question. This is also one of the important model. So on benzene ring, CH2OH, SOCl. So some series of reactions given. Okay. So first step to means first reactant to first product A. So can you guess what is the product will get there? See, this is the reactant given. If you treat with SOCl2, what happened? It undergoes SN2 mechanism. What happened here? Immediately it will be form Cl. Again it is treated with the KCN. So here also what happens? Same SN2 mechanism, same story. So then what you get here, Cn. If you treated with H plus, what happened here? The Cn converting into COOH. COOH. So CH to COOH. Is it okay? So CH to, this is CH to COOH. Now what is the correct answer for here? So C. Is it clear? So this is also one of the important model. Many times they have been asked. So I hope you understand these all questions clearly. So we shall meet again few more expected models in the next video. So by the time, please share it, comment it and subscribe the channel. Thank you.